Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review and a beginner guide on how you can use Flux AI. Essentially, I'm diving into one of the most accessible and budget-friendly ways to create amazing AI images. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with AI art, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create amazing, high-quality images with Flux AI. So if you want to explore Flux AI and what it has to offer, go ahead and navigate to the link below this video. Upon creating an account using it or using any of Flux AI services, you'll be benefiting this channel at no additional cost to you. So what exactly is Flux AI and why does it stand out to other competitors such as Midjourney? Flux AI is an advanced image generation platform created by Black Forest Labs. It is specifically designed for AI-driven art, and it is a tool where you simply describe the image that you want to create using text prompts. And then Flux AI's algorithms work their magic to turn these words into vivid and detailed images. Flux AI functions similarly to other platform tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, but it has a few standout advantages that make you want to use it instead. First, it's built with accessibility in mind, meaning that it's user-friendly and doesn't require any technical knowledge to get started. And second, the quality of the images is phenomenal, with Flux AI generating a level of detail that's often on par with or even better than more widely used tools. But in my opinion, what sets it apart is its pricing structure and ease of use. So unlike other platforms where you might pay for a subscription, Flux AI offers a flexible pay-per-use model, allowing you to only pay for the images that you generate. It's also surprisingly adept at handling complex prompts or creating photorealistic images and highly stylized art. But the most impressive selling point of Flux AI is its ability to generate images with text. That is something that many, if not all, of the AI tools available struggle with. So if you want to create graphics or images that include text elements like posters or maybe social media content, then Flux AI is a strong choice. Next up, I'm going to talk about the Flux AI models that you might be interested in trying out. And for that, we've got three different versions of the Flux AI model. Currently available, we have the Pro, Dev, and the Schnell. Each model has distinct characteristics that cater to different needs or budgets. So of course, it's important to choose the right one for your project. Starting with the Pro model, this model is the top tier option for generating commercial quality images. If you are a professional or looking to create highly detailed images for clients, then Pro is the way to go. And while it is the most expensive model on Flux AI, the investment can be worth it for projects where visual quality is paramount. Maybe if you're using it for advertisements or portfolio pieces, maybe digital art prints. The second model is the Dev model, and this one offers nearly the same level of quality as the Pro model, but at a more affordable rate. I recommend this model for most users because it balances the quality and the cost. In fact, the differences between Dev and Pro are so subtle that they are hardly even noticeable in many cases. So for personal projects, online content, or experimental art, Dev is usually sufficient in my opinion. And finally, we've got the Schnell model, named after the German word for fast. This is Flux AI's budget-friendly, quick processing model. The images are less detailed than Pro or Dev, but if you're in a hurry or just exploring different concepts, that is mainly what Schnell is mostly used for. It is ideal for bulk image creation or low-cost experimentation. And now let's go ahead and touch on the costs part, as one of the reasons Flux AI is popular among both beginners and experienced users is its cost efficiency. So unlike the subscription-based models, with Flux AI you can actually pay to either opt in for a monthly subscription like normal, or you can go ahead and do a one-time payment where you can actually buy a bunch of credits and then be able to experiment with all the different kinds of models, generate videos, and that kind of stuff. So for example, if you go to the pricing tab, you will see the monthly options right here, and you can actually get started with this platform completely for free as you get 40 daily credits. And through that, you get to use a Flux One Schnell and the Dev models, as the Schnell costs 10 credit per image and the Dev one costs 30 credit per image. So every day you are allowed to either generate 4 images with Schnell or 1 Dev and 1 Schnell images. You also get 5 prompt generations daily, 5 image to prompt daily, and the shared generation queue. But you don't get access to the Flux AI video, and you don't get access to the Pro model, whether it's Flux 1 or 1.1. So that takes us to the cheapest monthly plan, which is the $10, 5,000 credits. You get unlimited usage for the models, so all of them, and the maximum of 50 Flux videos, a maximum of 100 Pro image generations, and 83 Flux One Pro images, a bunch of many different add-ons that you can actually experiment very well with the tool with. The next plan is the $20 per month, and that gives you 13,000 credits. You get access to unlimited models, of course, a maximum of 130 Flux videos, 260 Flux 101 Pro images, and a bunch of other features that already exist in the previous plan. And finally, their most expensive plan at $30 monthly that gives you access to 21,000 credits. So as you can see, that all of these plans starting from the free option up to the most expensive plan at $30 per month are all cheaper than most of the AI models available today. In addition to that, you can choose to go for the one-time payment, for example right here, and then pay $20 just once, and it would give you access to 10,000 credits to experiment with the tool as much as you like. You will get access to the unlimited models, the maximum of 100 Flux videos, max 200 Flux 101 Pro images, and so on and so forth. Or you can pay $10 just once and get access to 4,000 credits. And that one is comparable to the monthly subscription that you could get, but you would actually lose on some things such as the additional credits or the maximum of the Flux videos. So in my opinion, I would highly recommend starting with the free option, getting a feel for the program and the platform, and as you get more and more familiar with it, maybe you'd want to experiment with the videos or more images and different models. In that case, you would go for a one-time payment. And again, if that one is perfect for you, then you go ahead and upgrade to a paid subscription. So you're not really losing out on anything. Go ahead, grab the link below this video, create an account, and let's get started with using this platform. So once you have navigated to this platform, you will see on the top right corner a button to get started for free or start a free trial. Click on that and then sign in with your email. You may also log in using your Google account. And then from there, you will land on this dashboard that will give you access to all of the AI tools that Flux AI has to offer. For that, we've got a bunch of AI tools that are the Flux AI image generator, the AI video generator, Lorem image generator. You can also generate some anime images or the metal generator. So let's head over to the Flux AI tools again and then click on the Flux AI image generator. And then you will land on this screen right here where we can input a prompt. You can also optimize your prompt with AI, choose the resolution of your image, and then use the specific Flux model that you want. So for the free plan, you can use the Schnell or the Dev, but you also need a subscription if you want to use any one of the Pro ones. Another feature that you can use is to transform images that already exist. So you upload the image and then you can create something related to it. And finally, if you choose to, you can make your images private listings, but for that, you also need a subscription, as you can see. So let's say for the sake of this video, I'm going to generate a cool image using the dev model. I'm going to click here and then input my own prompt. This can really be anything that you want, but I highly recommend taking as much time engineering your prompt as possible. Add as many details as you want. You can even use ChatGPT to help you craft an amazing prompt. The longer and the more detailed your prompt is, the better the results. Take your time figuring out your prompt, and then once you're ready, paste it in here and hit the generate. You can see how many credits you already have in your account right here, and also how much it would cost to generate one. Once the generation is complete, you will see your image on the screen. Take a moment to review it, and if it matches your vision, then great. And if not, you can easily adjust the prompt or settings to refine the output. So again, this is the generation I had based on the prompt that I used. And since Flux AI is prompt driven, it's crucial to be very specific with the prompt that you choose. So again, the more detail you provide, the better the AI can match your vision. So although the image I generated looks amazing and as you can see is very high quality, I still believe it can be improved with a little bit more details added. So for instance, instead of saying just a dog, try a golden retriever puppy wearing a red collar. I also recommend using stylistic cues so you can add descriptors like digital painting or watercolor, minimalist or realistic, as those can guide the AI to produce images in your desired style. And finally, don't hesitate to test different phrases or styles, adding words like cinematic lighting or maybe high resolution, as those can make a difference in the outcome. And finally, once you're happy with the image, it's time to save it. You simply click on the download button and then you can choose the file type that you want to save as. So we've got the WebP, PNG or JPG, and then you can save it wherever you want on your PC. Additionally, if you are a content creator that makes art with AI, you can easily share it on social media such as Twitter or Facebook. Other than that, I want to talk about a very cool feature that I use myself. So for example, if we head over to the Flux prompt tab right here, you can see a lot of the public creations that people made, and most of these are actually made with the dev model, so you know you can create some very amazing things using it. So for example, if you are stuck on a concept or you don't know, you need some kind of inspiration, you can easily click at one of the amazing creations, for example this one, and then from here directly you can click on the remix, and that will completely replicate the process from which this kind of drawing was created. So it will copy the exact same prompt, the resolution, the model used, and all of that stuff. And then you can tweak things around, change them however you like, or maybe use a different model to see what it would look like if you did anything different. So you can really experiment with this tool as much as you like, and it makes it easy to do so. As you just saw, and as a complete beginner, Flux AI offers an intuitive way to generate impressive images without needing deep technical skills or a large budget. And this flexibility, high quality output, and the paying structure makes it ideal for experimentation and even professionals to use. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that this guide on Flux AI has helped you understand how easy and rewarding it can be to create AI generated art. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and grab the link below this video, experiment around with this tool, and let us know what you think. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments down below what kind of images you want to create with Flux AI. Thank you once again for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video.